Even if you didn't come first, second or third when you were in school, you need those positions now when building a brand, because these are the only positions worth owning in any category that your brand operates in, and the law of double jeopardy justifies it. It says that the #1 brand in any mature industry has roughly twice the market share of the #2 brand, which has roughly twice the market share of the #3 brand, which has roughly twice the market share of the #4 brand, until there is no market left to share. You can see this at work in the telecommunication industry in Nigeria. MTN Nigeria is the market leader with 43.7% share of the mobile phone market in 2020. Glo was the second largest brand with a market share of 27.8%, which is roughly 2/3 of that of MTN. And Airtel is the third largest brand with a market share of 26.3%, which is almost 2/3 of that of the market leader. Other brands like 9mobile and Smile have very tiny market share. So when starting a brand, it is very important to have a strategy to become the #1, 2 or 3 in that industry. If you can't, it will only make sense to start a new category than to battle with the top brands in that category. Jack Welch, the former CEO of General Electric, understood the importance of market leadership, and he said that any market category or industry where they can become the #1, 2 or 3, they exit. And that was what made General Electric so successful. So guys, if you want to build a brand, try to become the #1, 2 or 3 in any category you are going to. Build strategies that will help you unseat the incumbents in that category. With that, you can build a global brand.